I think I messed up. I had no idea vehicles could be this exciting until now. First up, the speedsters. Sports cars like Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghini are built for adrenaline junkies. With turbochargers and aerodynamic designs, they can reach mind-blowing speeds. Next, the eco-friendly crew. Electric vehicles like Tesla, Nissan Leaf, and Chevy Bolt are revolutionizing transportation. With longer battery life and more charging stations, EVs are the future of driving. Now, for the adventurers. Off-road vehicles like Jeep, Land Rover, and Toyota 4x4 take you where the pavement ends. With four-wheel drive and impressive ground clearance, they conquer rocky trails and sandy dunes. Last but not least, the luxury lounge. High-end vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi offer opulent comfort and advanced tech. Heated seats and top-notch infotainment systems make these rides superbly sophisticated. And that's a wrap for today's Wheels of Wonder. Which ride gets your engine revving? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button for more vehicular adventures.